Panuodin again, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will teach you how to register in GCash. But before we go over to that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe now, okay? And also, hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aming learning tips and earning tips, okay? Guys, napanood nyo ba last time na nag-upload ako ng video about sa pag-create ng PayPal account? Ngayon, isa na namang app na pwede natin pag-encashan ng earning apps and home-based jobs natin. At ito ay GCash, okay? Maaari ka dito makapag-pay ng bills, money transfer, load to all networks, and syempre, encash cash. Encash cash. Ulit-ulit.
Sorry nga. Ulit-ulit na naman eh.
Ang daming benefits, diba? Halika, tuturuan kita para ma-experience ang lahat ng yon. Una, prepare what you need. Para laging ready, ever ready. So, ano nga ba ang mga ito? First is cellphone. Next, active phone number. Third, active email address. At ang pinaka-importante, internet. Next step is install your GCash app. Para crystal clear ang step-by-step natin, halika, i-share ko sa iyo ang screen ko.
Wow!
Ayun, so now na na-install na natin, open natin agad. Hindi na tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Alright, just provide permission. Allow. Okay, so welcome to GCash. Diretso tayo sa register. Then, enter your phone number. Inuulit ko guys, kailangan active phone number to. Kasi magsasend sila ng mga code and verification code. Fill nyo lang yung phone number nyo. Okay, pagkatapos nyo i-next, magsasend si GCash ng authentication code. So, wait lang tayo sa text niya. Okay, na-receive ko na. Lagay lang natin. Okay, submit code. Then, mapupunta tayo sa page for registration. Fill lang natin yung name natin, birth date, address, and active email address. Alright, so after you fill it in, press continue. And sinasabi dito, do you have a referral code? Ipa-flash ko sa screen yung referral code ko, pwede nyo gamitin. Para meron din kayong bonus cash. So, win-win situation, guys. Okay? So, sa next page, hihingan kayo ng mobile PIN. This will serve as your password on your GCash app. Super importante nito guys, kailangan secured yung app mo. So sa 4 digits na to, kailangan strong password siya. Huwag yung madaling hulaan, like your birthday or anniversary nyo ng jowa nyo kung meron ka ba. So, mag-isip ako ng 4-digit MPIN ko. Ayun. After I entered my mobile PIN, says here, congratulations, we've successfully created your GCash account. Yay! So, proceed to login na tayo. So, after you login, diretso na kayo sa home tab nyo. Tap to continue. And there it is! You have already registered to GCash. And pwede mo na ma-access lahat ng benefits nito. So, pagka-login nyo guys, makikita nyo dito yung homepage nyo ng GCash. So, unang-una makikita nyo yung available balance nyo and yung mga options pwede mong gawin sa GCash. We'll tackle that later on. And then yung transaction history mo. So, makikita nyo dito sa available balance nyo, merong plus sign. So, pindutin natin. Okay. Dadalhin kayo niya sa tab na cash in. Ang cash in guys is paano mo lagyan ng pera yung GCash account mo. So, there is a lot of ways. First, over the counter. Pwede nyo siya loadan through Pure Gold or other malls, 7-Eleven, Shell, Select, at Cebuana Luwilier. And then, next, online banks. Makikita nyo dito guys, meron silang mga partnered banks. And then, remittance. PayPal, Western Union, and MoneyGram. Alright, so after na cash in, doon tayo sa pay bills. Okay, after nito makikita nyo yung biller categories. Okay, mamimili lang kayo dyan kung anong bill ang gusto nyong bayaran. information like account number mo at kung ano-ano pa. And then, money transfer, okay? From your GCash to your bank or sa Palawan at kung ano-ano pa. Let's go to that. Send money. Okay. So, pag magsisend ka ng money, meron dito option na pwede mong pagsendan yung another GCash user. Okay? Saselect nyo lang yun, and then, i-input nyo lang yung phone number niya na pinag-sign upan niya dito sa GCash, and then yung amount na yun send nyo sa kanya. Then, right away, papasok na yung amount na yun sa kanya. Okay? Easy transaction, right? And then, sa bank transfer naman, magpa-pop up din doon yung mga partnered banks nila or available banks na pwede mong pag-money transferan. And then, after that, mag-select ka lang doon, fill in lang mga important information. And then, buy load. Okay? Dito ako pinaka natutuwa, guys. Kasi, pagka-open nyo yan, makikita nyo yung buy load for magpo-flash na agad yung phone number nyo. Okay? And then, pwede nyo siyang i-click to enter a new phone number. Kunyari, mag-load ako sa friend ko. And enter ko yung phone number niya. And ito guys, bago tayo mag-next, makikita nyo, itong pinaka-gusto ko sa GCash is yung rebate. Every time na mag-load ka, makakuha ka ng 8% from that. Alright. Next lang natin, after nyan, magbabab up ng page na to, bibigyan kayo ng mga specific regular amount ng load na pwede nyo i-load sa friend nyo or sa'yo, or kaya kung ano pang promo available doon. Like surf, call and text, all in, at kung ano-ano pa. Lastly, paano mag-cash out sa GCash? And so, punta tayo dito sa homepage ulit, then show more, and cash out. Meron dito sa page na to is yung GCash Mastercard. Paano magkaroon na to? I will teach you how on my next vlog, okay? So, dito muna tayo sa general things that we need to know is yung over the counter. Pwede kang maglabas ng cash through Palawan, Pure Gold, Bayad Center, 7-Eleven, and many more. And then, that's all it is. Muntikan ko na makalimutan yung Lazada, guys. Lazada, you can also use your GCash to pay your purchases on Lazada or on Lazada. Okay? Actually, guys, marami pang benefits yung GCash, guys. Just explore, and for the other things that you need to know about GCash, I'll just make a separate vlog for that, especially for you. And, ayan, just enjoy using your GCash and all its benefits. So, dito na nagtatapos yung vlog ko. I hope you enjoy and you like my tutorial. If you have comments or questions, just feel free to drop it below. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching again. I'm your 13.